Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So you guys, this was Uma Khumalo Mseleku with her siblings and just I think her sisters and brothers, if it's not cousins, and they were just singing a gospel song. Okay, I wanted to share a video with you, but of course YouTube doesn't allow me to just share a video with you. Listen, it looks like a happy family. Okay, every time Makhumalo is singing, people are always in the comment section asking, you know, are you going to release some music? You should release some music. I think that she should consider, because I think she can really sing. Okay, maybe we can get another Rebecca 2.0. Okay, the Rebecca that doesn't roll on the floor. Rebecca, but you know, I think she should consider, because she can sing. I think overall Makhumalo yigago because she can sing, she can dance. Well, do the Zulu dance. I don't know about the other one. Okay, I don't know about Amavosho and, you know, twerking or anything like that, but I know that she can do the Zulu dance and she can sing. So out of all the wives, but I'm telling you, I think Ilona Gago Gelili, like I'm silly. Listen, you guys, I don't know if it's just me, but is Mseleku not spending a lot of time in between these seasons, like season 8? What season did we watch? Season 9, season 8, and season 9, because we're assuming season 9 is coming. Am I the only one that feels like he's not spending time with Umayeni and he's not spending time with Uma Khumalo? Or maybe they're just not posting, but we are not seeing him with those wives. I wonder what's happening, you guys. I wonder what's happening. But whatever is happening is making Makhumalo happy, because on this video right here, Makhumalo is happy with her family. She is at Oshabeni Lwakhe. Uyabona, uphole inhloko, Oshabeni with her brothers and sisters. I really do think, you guys, it's the best thing ever when you get along with your siblings, because I mean, you can have things like this. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumagona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Itanda. Cool.